Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package is heavy. I got a few over here that I'm doing. This is my last one I'm filming for today, and I picked this one because it's heavy. I don't know what's in here. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, this was sent by Kenneth. Thank you very much, Kenneth. Let's see what Kenneth sent me here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we got some loose stuff in here. What the heck? One. There we go. Oh man, multiple. Holy cow! Whoa! Thank you very much, Kenneth, for that. And something in here, and a note. Fantastic. Okay, I'll look at the notes here in one sec. Let me take a look. It says hello, Metal Complex. Email information like that, and information on the knives. Be careful with the Voyager. I did make it drop shutty, so watch your fingers. He sent 2 micro recon ones, the lanyard, and he said I'll see why. I have 4 micro recon, so no rush sending him back. Oh, have fun with the brands and cut something. Hey, cool, man. Thank you very much. That was really nice. Let's turn the exposure up just a bit here. I want to find out what's in this. What we got here? Oh, yes. The mini, we have the little, look at that, holy cow, we got so much. Cool. So, I have never actually handled the mini Tough Light. I own the larger Tough Light. By the way, I will link as much of this stuff right down below as I can so that you guys can go check that out if you want. I've never actually handled a mini Tough Light, and I really wanted to. So, he was like, hey, it's a big deal if it's been used. No, it's not a big deal at all. I kind of like to see knives that have been used a little bit so that I can see, what they're all about. What is this? Gyric? Oh, it is a cold steel. Okay. Interesting. I don't know anything about that. All this stuff, by the way, this is unboxing. First time I've ever handled this stuff. I've handled plenty of cold steels and plenty of other knives, but I've not handled a lot of this stuff. So, I kind of pick it up, give first impressions, right? We've got 2 of these little micro recons, which is interesting. I honestly didn't know that these even existed. I don't know if they're still available. What is the steel? 4304 SS. I don't know anything about 4034. Okay, there you go. Are these using are these triad locks? That's what they look like. People are like, you should know before you unboxing. First time I've ever handled it, so I don't know. I don't know until after I've had a chance to handle them, and then I do reviews. Like 2 to 3 weeks down the road, we'll do full reviews on this. So there you go. We got a couple of them here. One's got a lanyard, one doesn't. What's the difference between these 2? Okay, they look the same. They are the same. One's got a lanyard and one doesn't. Okay. And then let's take a look here. We have the the Voyager Tank. God bless it. That is huge. So is this the CTS BD1 Taiwan? Okay, so I can't remember if there are multiple variants of this. Honestly, I'm trying to remember exactly what it was that I asked for. This is great though. I love looking at these hulking monstrous pocket swords that Cold Steel puts out. And for people wondering, is that just like, nonsense? It's just like a big, no. These are big and crazy, definitely, but they are also extremely capable. I mean, generally I kind of poke fun a little bit at Cold Steel, but I think I should do a good job of pointing out for people who don't know, if you look at this stuff and you think it looks kind of excessive and gas station-y, I get why you might think that, but these are extremely capable knives. They are very, very durable, especially considering how much they cost. I don't think the price on this, guys, is insane. Now, we also have this. Is this this one's an XHP. Yeah, dead, signed by Lynn Thompson himself. God, man, that is cool. Look at the look at the serrations. Oh my God, the teeth on this. Holy moly. Okay, so we've got a Voyager Are these both? These are both Voyagers. Okay, so I forget about the size. There are different sizes and different variants of all these things. So like I said, they'll all be listed right down below. First impressions, these are huge. The Voyagers are gigantic. I'm not a huge fan of the crazy recurve blades or the really aggressive lines or anything like that, but I mean, they sure did do a good job of making sure you can hold it in any position you want. These are definitely triad locks, so your lock strength is off the charts. I think that's cool that this one's XHP. We just don't see CTS XHP enough. No idea how that translates to, a serrated edge. I'm more of a, like the biggest knife that I generally carry is an XM18, which is, it's maybe just as thick, but it's nowhere near as huge, right? So some of these are obviously more EDC friendly, and some of them are like, a different setting. Very interesting, though. This is fun. You guys, everybody seems to love watching anything about cold steel knives, whether it's a demolition, it's like a destruction test, if it's an unboxing, if it's a review, right? Just general discussion. I mean, cold steel, yeah. I mean, people love it. I'm always interested to check out cold steel knives, and there's a ton that I have not checked out. So I decided to take this month to check out some of the models that I probably should have handled and shown on this channel. Oh, what is this? Is this for that? Does it go on this side? Okay, that's weird. I don't understand that, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Thank you so much to the gentleman who sent these in. Really looking forward to taking a look at them individually. That's going to be pretty much it for today's very intense unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Maddle? What is my name? What is the name of this channel after 1,600 uploads? Metal Complex. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.